Hi guys, no one is here, reporting for the Shib CoOp. Today I'm super excited to reveal the mint of the first Shib CoOp community NFT collection, and possibly the first ever NFT collection on Shibarium to be minted in Shib token. The Coup collection is limited to 194 NFTs. So if you haven't grabbed one already, here is how to do it. Go to this address. Once the page loads, the site will ask you to switch to Shibarium network on your MetaMask, if you are not there already. Just click Switch Network and proceed. To mint, you will have to connect your wallet to the website by clicking Connect button at the top right corner. Pick your minting wallet where you have bridged your Shib token in advance to Shibarium and click Next. As you can see, connecting to the website itself will only allow you to see your address, account balance activity, and suggest transaction to approve, to make sure it can initiate the minting process. Click Connect and you're ready to mint. Here on the left, you can pick the number of NFTs you want to mint. I want to mint 2, one for myself and one for my lovely wife. So I pick 2 and click Mint. A first transaction appears, requesting me to authorize a spending limit of 10 million SHIB to ShibCoOp.io, 5 million for each NFT. I click Approve and wait for the approval to be recorded on Shibarium blockchain. It takes just a few seconds, and the second transaction appears, this time to actually mint. Click Confirm and wait a little. You can see the status of the mint in your MetaMask activity panel. As you can see, both my approval and the batch mint have been successful. To see the transaction in more detail and make NFTs visible in your MetaMask wallet, click on the mint transaction, click to copy transaction ID and open the Block Explorer. Paste your transaction ID and enter. Token IDs for both NFTs are reflected here, 106 and 181 in my case. Make note of those. Click here to copy the contract address and open your MetaMask NFT panel. Scroll to the bottom and click Import NFT. Paste the address of the contract and enter one of the NFT IDs and click Import. Repeat the process for the second one as well. And voila! Both NFTs and one I minted earlier are visible on MetaMask now. Before the reveal, the generic collection image is displayed, but after the reveal, you will be able to see your actual amazing NFT image here. Considering this is a very limited collection, don't worry if you miss out on minting one. There will be more opportunities both to create NFTs for new co-op collections and mint them in the future. This is just a taster of what we can achieve together, working cooperatively at Shib CoOp and utilizing the power of Shibarium. None of this would have been even possible without its extremely cheap and fast transactions. I paid just over a tenth of a cent to mint 2 NFTs. Simply amazing. Follow our X account Shib CoOp and join our Discord at discord.gg/Shib CoOp to learn more and take part in the Shib CoOp community NFT creation, Shib the Metaverse, and the myriad of other things we are working on. Shib CoOp is our name, and Win at Me is our motto. Take care and hope to co-op with you in the near future.